Hello guys, how are you? Let's learn some colors name. Blue color, green color, yellow color, orange color, violet color, red color, pink color. Today we will try to learn 6 seasons name in English. Summer, rainy season, autumn. Red color, summer. S U M E R Summer. Orange color, rainy season. R A I N Y S E A S O N Rainy season. Yellow color, autumn. A U T U M N Autumn. Pre-winter, winter, spring. Pink color, pre-winter. P R E W I N T E R Pre-winter. Green color, winter. W I N T E R Winter. Blue color, spring. S P R I N G Spring. Pre-winter, winter, spring. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye.